Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find my UID on IQIYI application. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the IQIYI app, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find IQIYI? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of these applications depending on the device that you use. Check for the search bar. In the search bar, type IQIYI and follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install the app. After downloading, it's going to take you right into this home page. Check the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find the Me icon. Click on the Me icon and follow through the on-screen prompt to log in or sign up by clicking on the login/sign up hyperlink you're going to find at the top corner of that screen. After logging in or signing up, you can now head over to this home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the app. So now, okay, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to find my UID on IQIYI. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have home, you have explore, you have shorts, you have download, and you have me. So go ahead and click on the me icon and it takes you right into this window. So right here in this window, you have my list, you have history, you have IQIYI rewards, you have language, you have subtitle translation, settings, you have FAQ, and you have feedback. So where exactly is the UID? Now the UID is the user ID, right? So right here under, that's the bottom of this window, you have the IQIYI version 6.4.5 that shows the version, and just right next to it you have something in parentheses which is 698471. That in parentheses is the UID. That's your unique UID. All right, so that's your user ID at the bottom corner of this screen. So if you want to look for your UID on IQIYI, just right here where in this parenthesis, just right next to the version of the IQIYI app you're using, that's where you find your UID. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.